Hi there, have you got a minute? Let's educate, inspire and empower your photography, one 60-second photo tip at a time. Have you ever looked at a photo and thought, it's nice, but it feels sort of empty? That's maybe because you didn't fill the frame. Let's see how we can fix that. Filling the frame means getting closer to your subject, physically or with the zoom, so it dominates the photo. You're cutting out distractions, removing dead space, and drawing the viewer's eye straight to what really matters. It's bold, it's intimate, and it's powerful, and it really does make a statement, as I'm sure you'd agree. See the difference? The first shot includes the whole scene, and it's fine, but the second one, you're right up in it. Emotional, engaging, and definitely more powerful. Try it with faces, textures, food, or street scenes. The tighter you go, the stronger the impact. And here's a pro tip. Let things bleed out of the frame. Cut off the top of a hat. Let the edge of a plate vanish. Your viewer's brain fills in the blanks, and that makes the image feel more real, more powerful. So next time you shoot, don't just stand back, move in, feel the frame, tell the story. What's your favorite subject to fill the frame with? Faces, details, or something else? Let me know in the comments, I read every one. That was your Focus Bite. I'm Anthony, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.